Hello everyone and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. We know it's been a while and we have been gone for such a long time, but today we are here to bring you the Winter Wonderland Christmas bulbs. So we hope you enjoy this video. And if you're not a part of the Elegance family, we would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. So today we are doing Winter Wonderland Christmas bulbs, and it's going to be very glitzy. So if you have that white Christmas that you want to do this year, this would be the perfect DIY for you. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For this project, you will need beads, glitter, Mod Podge, and 3 types of paint. Also, you will need a funnel and Christmas bulbs. Now, the reason for the funnel, we're going to put Mod Podge inside of the paint because what it does is it seals the paint when you put it inside of the bulb, where after it adheres to the bulb, later it won't separate, because sometimes if you don't put the Mod Podge, it will separate. And so we're finding that if you put the Mod Podge in, then you don't have problems with that. So we just mix about maybe 2 tablespoons of the Mod Podge inside of the funnel, and we let it drip into the paint. And once it's into the paint, what we will do is we tighten the seal back up, shake it a little bit around there, make sure that the Mod Podge and the paint is entwining together. And once that happens, then you're ready to start your process of pouring your paint inside of the bulb. As you can see, we are pouring the Mod Podge into a 8-ounce white paint, and what we're going to do is apply a little bit of our colors inside of the paint after the Mod Podge is sealed inside of the paint. Then we will add color to that paint to get the colors that we desire. We are making these bulbs for someone this year, so we are doing a soft pink and a soft green. All materials that we are using will be listed in the description bar below this video. Now this part is extremely important, because if you don't get this part right, then the bulb may not turn out right. So once you apply your paint inside your bulb, and you don't want to apply a whole lot, but you do want to put enough so you can agitate that bulb so that the paint can get all through the bulb. But once the paint is all through the bulb, you're going to turn it upside down and you're going to let it drain for about 2 hours. After the 2 hours, you're going to take your bulb and you want to sit it directly upward in an upward position, and you want to do that for a couple of days. Now sometimes it takes longer than a couple of days for it to dry, all depending on the size of your bulb. So you want to make sure that it's completely dry, and you can also put your hand inside to make sure if it's dry or not. And once it dries, then you'll be free to decorate your bulb how you want to decorate your bulb. It's very important that that part is complete before you proceed to decorate your bulb. Now it's been some days and we are ready to decorate our bulbs, and we did do some bulbs off camera for time's sake. So we're doing the pink one on camera because that's the one that we started out with on camera. So we will bring in a few other ones that are already painted, and then some are glittered as well. So we mix the beads inside of the glitter so they are inside of the glitter already. So we will sprinkle some glitter onto the bulb and also apply the glitter and the beads onto the bulb as well. Now the beads that we are using are pure white, and they do have like a silverish white bead. So if you want this exact look, make sure that your beads are pure white, because they do have like a frosted white, which those are the ones you saw in the beginning of our video, but I couldn't find the original package. For time's sake, we glittered one side of the bulb, and now we're just glittering the other side as well. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below what your favorite bulb was. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.